Lover with you, love with you. Feels so true, feels so new. Love with you.
Caillou, come here. Come here. He's scared.
I'm here.
Caillou, come here. Come here.
Hi to Uncle.
Come on, Caillou.
Let's play.
Come
Meow.
here.
Uncle.
Come here.
Meow.
B, go get him, B.
Come here.
He's scared. Go get him.
No, because his mom is leaving him. He's looking for his mom. Good morning. Morning mga kachapapis. 7 in the morning na. At Lunes na rito sa Washington.
Where's your bag, Caillou?
Today is...
Where's your bag?
No, today be? What's the date today? May 4?
No.
We're in vacation. We don't know what's
I'm
date
in
today.
vacation. We're back on May 1st, which is Friday. Saturday's May 2nd. Sunday's May 3rd. Today's Monday, so that's why May 4th.
Work. So, agising lang namin. Andito yung bata. Maglalaro kami. Dito kami natulog sa sa sofa nila.
Caillou,
I'm here. Let's play.
I'm here.
Meow, meow.
Come here. Come here.
Meow, meow.
Dito nila nilalagay yung bata eh. Kasi ngayon nanay na may pasok din.
Quite cold. Come here. Caillou.
Hi to Uncle.
Caillou. Come here.
Ang puno na yung diaper
Come here.
mo. Karating lang.
May diaper na siya dito agad.
Oo, iniwan niya na yung gamit. Let's go to the room.
That's okay. He was working.
He's still
Did they give him a tablet? You can watch TV or something?
Yeah.
Hi, Caillou. Good morning. Say hi.
Parang timong oh. Parang kakainin. Kainin.
First time mo makita eh, no?
Oh. Nakakachupapi ito ng oras ngayon. At ito. So mga alas 10 na kami magpe-prepare. Kasi medyo maaga pa. Mag-edit muna ako mga kachupapi ha. Balikan ko kayo later. Tingnan mo to oh. Ganyan ba ya? Naglalaro agad sa cellphone. Wala magawa eh. Naka-vacation mood eh. Buksan ko yung bintana. Kachupapi para maliwanag. At maganda yung sinag ng araw ngayon. Ang aking asawa, magliligpit na yan. Tingnan yung kachupapi, oh. Ayan ang ayoko eh, kasi pag ganun yung niya, pataas.
Uncle just gonna check the laundry.
Good morning. Stephanie, move on. Try to job and everything you have.
Hi.
Small.
Hi, Caillou.
Auntie. Winnie.
Caillou.
Thank you. Say,
Come here.
say morning to
Can I give
Uncle.
Uncle a hug? Yeah.
This is your other auntie too. Say good morning, auntie there. Auntie Winnie.
Go give Auntie a hug. Give Auntie a hug. Cute.
Super skinny.
Your wash is still 20-minute long.
Ang payat ni Caillou.
Then talking to
We can wash. We can finish it later. That's fine.
Why you bring this? Oh, this is for my work.
This is for your work?
Yeah, but you can get it. Is that yours?
Well,
Well, pwede kayo
it's in my
maglaba-
dresser.
Ha? Pwede ka mag-load ng laundry. Mga okay lang para tapos pag umalis kayo, laba ulit kayo.
Para may damit ka.
May jacket ka ba? Malamig ba?
Medyo malamig doon sa floor. Ang jacket ko kasi makapal sa eh.
So, jacket kami. Go, we're going out. Yay! At yung kami punta kaming waterfall. Pasyal daw kami ng aking sister-in-law at saka brother-in-law ko. Sister-in-law ba tawag doon sa kaibigan ko? Eh bahala, comment down below, Waka Chokapi. Anong tawag sa kaibigan ko, asawa niya, yung kapatid ng asawa ko? Ay, mala ka na. Ikaw na bahala dyan. Ay! Oh. Balloon. Yeah. Nag-start na siyang magsalita, oh. Yan. Hindi ka nakikita, Kalyo. Oh. Wow! What's that? Wow! I think, what color is that? Me? You're very, very light. Kasi papi, ang gaan niya. Oh. Nangiram ako ng jacket kasi konti lang yung dala naming damit. Okay na to, be?
Yan na lang?
Oo.
Okay.
Kasi alis kami, wala akong masyadong Pero papalit ako ng pantalon. Diba, maganda. Hotdog already. Do you want me to keep it? Or
Put it in your thing.
sometimes it's not, I cannot breathe. My finger cannot breathe. What you want? No.
Just put it in your hand so you don't lose it. Put it, can you fit here? Put it in the smaller finger so it's not so
It's,
thick.
it's gonna lose. Oh, maybe I should put it back. See? It's gonna lose.
Hey! It's too loose. What about your right hand?
Ruby, give me clothes. Ganda, oh, kajawaki, oh. Mukha akong sexy dito. Are you gonna bring that one?
I'm playing with it right now.
Bruh. Kind of look like you when you're young.
A little bit. Come on, okay. Ready to go already.
Just kidding, Cass.
Perfect, perfect practice.
Ay, huli, baby. A little bit. I'm just gonna wear my shoes. Naka-jokaki. You wear your shoes. We're going out.
Come on, copy, go talk, copy, go talk.
I'm good. Nothing.
You say he's good.
Maganda yung araw ngayon, naka-chopapi. Very bright, very sunny outside. That's very good. Okay, naka-vacation din kami ngayon ng asawa ko. Vacation mood. So, punta kami ng Asian store and waterfall.
There's nothing happening on that. Okay, nothing long. Nothing. You guys will be like a second parent.
That's fine, I'm totally okay with that. Yeah, good, liver, we put a lot of work in that. We got a new light setup. New entertainment system set up here with the action will hit the waterfall.
Mm.
And then we can go
Tingnan natin yung labas sa
at the
Kachopapi.
Southern Mall with the little bit of scenery. And then afterwards, the tour of the mall.
Ang ganda. Ito yata yung gagamitin namin sa sasakyan. Ayan o. Hello, Washington. Chamberlain. Oh, diba pababa siya? Oh, ayun oh. Daming halaman. Nakakatawa. Ganda ng ano, ganda ng sunny ngayon. Kachapapi, mainit. Blue sky. Sabi ng asawa ko, maano daw dito eh. Lagi daw umuulan, pero parang hindi naman umuulan. Pero kasi last year, pumunta kami dito. Laging umuulan. Laging umuulan dito, makulimlim lagi daw dito. Kaya yung mga puno yan, yung mga pine tree, yan yung gusto nila. Yung parang mamiss yung ano, may mga smoky emerald. Dito yun, sa Washington. Kaya lang sa amin kasi malamig talaga. Maganda, no? Kaistro, papi. Maganda rito. May miss ko to pagka bumalik kami sa ano, Wisconsin. So, ayun. Tag dito. Maaraw. Maganda.
You did it. Good job.
Sabi, Adi!
Abby. Abby tawag niya kay Ruby. Dadalhin natin tong camera stand natin para hindi tayo mangalay. Balikan ko kayo later.
He's calling for you. He's such a smart boy.
Ready na kami mga kachupapi. Paalis na kami. Ito, adik na siya oh.
Ikaw lang naglalaro-laro kay asawa mo.
Kaka-download lang niya yan nung ano, nang nasa airplane kami kasi diba 6 hours kami doon.
Okay. Paano niya nakita yan? Ganyan.
Wala, ewan ko.
Sinesearch
Nakita
niya.
niya lang. Oo, offline.
Dumaan lang sa feed niya tapos sinuha niya
Oo.
ganyan.
Offline games.
Dami ganyan ng mama niya eh.
So, ito na. Ready na tayo kachupapi. Dali na natin to. Itong ating... Ano, Bey? You stay there?
Ready?
Go.
Let's go.
Yeah, bring some food.
What's your hat mean?
Yeah. So, in case.
Hey.
Good?
Ilan tubig mo? Kaya.
Dalawa.
Kung daw ka kumain ka pa ni.
Kulang pa dalawa? Sige, isa na lang.
We need more.
No, Chiang. This isn't hers. Is this yours?
I got plenty of hats. You want to pick
Whose
one?
hat is this?
What hat you want? That's I don't know.
Yeah, this one to wear one.
This
I should have brought mine, but I
Saskia,
didn't.
those blue tip peak.
Hey, let's go, kachupapi. At walang kasama yung bata dito. Hi!
Everybody can sit. Yeah. Gaya siya later.
Ay, ako sa gitna kasi malaki kay. Ako sa gitna.
Oh?
Kasi
Maliit lang ako. Maliit lang ako. Oh,
Is that enough room?
yeah. Buhay naman.
Uy, ano wala pa tayo nakalimutan? Baby, did you bring your wallet?
Double check everything. Oh, we have water already.
Oh, there's a paper water.
Ah.
It's on the floor. Bring it and read it.
Abi ah. Ang dami na namin to eh.
Ala.
Baka laki mo kayo.
Ang laki ng sasakyan. Ano niya?
Kandong ka na lang.
Yes. How's that?
Eh baka buksan ni Kayo yung ano ba yung car dyan. Dapat pala sa gitna siya no.
Oh. Well, you should put him in the middle. Is it too big?
Yeah, it's big. It's gonna fit. Push him over a little bit. Maybe just push the car over a little bit. Yeah, I'll move it.
Ba ito kasama ko maglagay ng ano.
Better?
Okay.
Yan, nakaano na rin. Ako po na rin yung pet ko.
Kasi ng bed mo. Ano pala pagkasama natin?
Hindi tayo makahinga rito.
Buti nag-cancel siya.
Buti na lang mga kachapapi, kami lang.
Oh, he's not comfortable.
Hello baby, you look like gangster there.
He's
Mga
not
kachapapi, papunta na kami. Ang ganda yung araw
not
ngayon.
comfortable.
Tanungin mo.
Kayo, are you okay?
How? How to do it?
Thumbs up.
Galing na.
You good?
Okay, on the way na kami, mga kachapapi. Ganda yung araw ngayon, no? Cybertruck. Cybertruck, right?
No. Parang basurahan naman.
Baby, Cybertruck, Ruby told that it's kind of like a garbage truck.
Yeah, it is. It looks like a
Some
garbage
people
truck.
do think that, yes.
Yeah.
Mahal na mahal tapos
Parang garbage
kung
truck,
bago
no?
gusto mo magsasakyan ng ganyan, mahal-mahal pa.
And they
Yeah.
call that modern design.
Parang karang bubuksan mo na lang tapos tapon mo yung basura.
Opinion. Some people think it's futuristic, and some
Yeah.
people think it's backwards.
It sure is backwards for me.
So,
It's
kachapapi.
ugly, but you know,
sorry.
people like it.
you.
I think it's ugly, but some people like it. But yeah, look at the way that they design it.
Hi,
You
Kayo.
can actually break
Can you
down
say hi
bullets.
to the camera?
Yeah.
The one
Hi.
that, like, it's very durable.
Kawatulo.
Aluminum.
Hi. Hi to the camera.
Parang ako yung manas dito, be. Bakit ganun?
No chance of that.
Parang ako yung manas dito, ako yung buntis dito. Parang
All they
ganun.
need is a lifetime battery.
Diba? Laki kasi ng mukha ko.
It's $100,000.
So anyway, on the way na kami, mga kachipapi. Magkita na lang tayo doon.
Fast for a truck. That's fast.
We're here.
About so, Hyundai.
About 10 minutes.
10 minutes. So we're almost there.
Si CR lang ang buntis. Baka mamaya may pumutok ditong ano eh. May magkalat dito eh.
Waterfall. Yun ba?
Baka pumutok yung tubig dito.
Don't go, lady. Don't go. Don't go.
What happened?
I'm just saying, the lady's about to go. She didn't even look her mirror.
Yeah. We're here.
Bathroom?
Yeah, I'm gonna go bathroom.
I might as well go to the lead car.
Alam mo yung nasa ano kami, airport? Ano to pa? Tingnan mo yung ano, may hawakan mo.
Saan ba?
Ayan.
Saan harap na ito?
Harap, harap. Huwag mo nang hiharap.
Umanit na yan.
Paano to? Nasa airport kami. Wait, ako makalabas sa CR kasi hindi nagpa-flash yung ano. Inantay ko mga 5 minutes bago mag-flash. Yung pala pagka binuksan mo pala yung pinto.
Oo, automatic.
Oo.
Bakit umihi ka lang ba? Dumuwi ka ba?
Hindi ako. Kaya lang na, ano, daming nakatilang ano.
Hindi kusay.
Ay, hindi ako makakala kasi yung ano.
Kaya,
Ano yung ano?
yeah. May mangyan dito.
Pero okay naman. At least nakalabas ng airport. Diba? Ano yun?
Ano ka na?
Sumiar lang kami.
Ganda ng bato.
Oh, ganda. Mexican. No?
Mexican.
Asa si Boba?
Kaya,
Ganda.
kaya,
Ano ba? Asa si Boba? Baka mamaya. Andun na nga day. Thank you for letting us going to the bathroom.
hindi mo lang nag-take me. Wala rin binili. Nakigamit lang. Hi kayo! You okay?
Ako.
Yeah? Oh.
We're gonna just take them to the bottom of the fall. It's a lot better.
Huh.
The bottom of the fall is more beautiful.
You think
Remember
so?
the top of the fall, you don't see nothing but a far away top of the fall.
I don't know.
So when we go look at the bottom of the fall, you get more up close.
Say baby girl. So pretty.
Be ano, you addicted there? No.
It's fine.
Ano mo, nabalo na siya dun sa ano, sa laro niya. Oh, Bo, I have a question. What do you think about your brother talking
Which
about
brother?
Jesus?
Oh, paper?
Yeah.
About Jesus?
Ah.
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
But before,
He's
when he didn't know Jesus yet.
Yeah, very different.
You want to remove it?
You know, it's a.
I put it because it's the sun coming to your face.
He's very enlightened now.
See,
Yeah.
earlier it's so hot.
It's like paper. Me and paper talking about. It's like paper. We're in the dark space, but once you found Jesus, you're in the light now.
Oh, thank you,
In the
Mama.
light now.
He's very different.
Now
Huh?
again.
And I want
Can we put it
everybody
back?
to be in the light.
Of course. I know.
But that has to be a choice that you guys make.
Exactly.
Bawat kanto may casino dito. Ah. Bawat kanto may mga casino.
Yeah, kasi na
Me, for the most part, behind that I give them what they want.
Ang daming mountain dito, Kashupapi. Maganda oh. Nakakatuwa, nakaka-amaze. Daming mga
Almost there, okay?
Almost?
You guys, do whatever you
Yeah, what is that?
Mountain!
So cool. So
Ganda.
pretty. Dito kami nung nag-stay, babe.
Ng 3 days?
Oh,
Bakit
the
you
point
explain
is,
ang
you
3
wanna
days?
try to
Kasi
take
nga may
it.
yung pinsan niya dito nakatira malapit. So, nag-hotel kami dito kasi
Yeah.
ikaw nung magbabiyahe ng gano'ng araw-araw, 40 minutes, almost an hour. Traffic pa.
No, you love somebody,
May
you wanna
entrance
try
ba
to
doon?
like get them there too. That's
Sa
the
fall?
point.
Wala. Ano lang, parang pasyalan lang talaga siya. Park, tapos didiretso
I
ka lang.
try. Mom's really hard to make a believer too.
Nananalo naman siya.
I tell Mom
Ah,
too,
kaya pala gusto niya eh.
Yeah.
Mom,
17
my mom,
million.
mom still believes that all religions are the same and they all lead to the same place.
Yeah.
No, she doesn't believe that heaven's Jesus Christ is the only way.
So malapit na yata tayo, no? Lapit na ba tayo?
But that's all she knows. That's all she knew growing
Well,
up.
she already made up her mind, so you're not gonna forward.
Lapit na kami.
I have moments where I'm calling for God, and I want an answer, but the answer doesn't come right away. But later you come to realize that your answer, your prayer's been answered already, but it's in the making. You know.
Ayan yung mga bahay dito, mga
And only
Kashupapi.
you know, God has a plan for you, of course. You must go to because He
May
wants
mga
you
pink blossom
to
pa rin
learn,
sila, oh.
you know. He wants
Pink
to give you
tree,
that
oh,
knowledge,
ang ganda.
that skill.
White tree, ayun, ang ganda oh.
Because the God there, you're right for it, you know.
Pink tree.
Oh, yeah.
Lapit na tayo.
They say better time. What they're saying, you know, because it's not God's plan for you. You say don't, you know,
Which is very long, you know, that just means that it's not for you,
Yeah.
you know.
But you have
Don't try to be like everybody else, you know.
Ganda, oh,
We're
ganda
all
ng bahay
different,
ah.
and we're all built differently because He has a different path for everyone. I say that, man, when they caught you guys are
Wala ko
good at
masyadong
this,
makita
and they
yung church
good at this,
dito,
and
no?
we're not good at anything but they're about to share, you know, because
Marami
you're
akong
built for something. You
nakikita
just
mga
haven't come
church
yet.
ba to?
That's all.
Ay, hindi yan church.
Hey, my big it's like
School.
because that was God's plan.
School
He put
bus.
us
Kasi may school bus.
through so that we can grow.
Kapit box sa school yan.
Sometimes things have to get hard
Ganun,
before it
ang
gets
ganda ng
good,
flower
you
na
know?
doon. Ano ba yan, sakura? No.
You
If
don't
you say
Blossom.
that,
you
sometimes
Cherry
also
blossom.
Oh, okay,
it gets
okay.
better.
Ganda, no?
To share about you, to share to because they did that.
Kat
to you.
ng-
Parang gusto ko rin
There's a
magtanim ng
reason for it,
ganyan.
And later you would thank for it.
Whether
labas
you
ng bahay,
understand it
Pag
or
mga
not, you just put your faith in
gantong,
it that, hey,
Yeah.
he knows
spring,
better
ang
than you.
ganda.
bloom ng
He
mga
knows what's
bulaklak,
good
ano?
'cause he truly is
Pero
good.
pag winter na,
Even though you
bo.
don't see it now, it doesn't mean that
Pero
it's
pag
not.
winter na, puro lagas na yung mga puno. Kala mo,
Yeah.
yung mga patay. Na ano, sabi, ba't hindi mo pinaputol yung mga yan? Puro lagas na. Tumutubo pa rin pala pag ano no?
like, God, deep inside, I'm a believer already.
Well, apparently that's a very good start already. That means you're on your way to sanctification.
I have
One day
experience.
you just have to decide when you're going to confess and when to turn over. But, you know, whenever you decide to go, you know, try to get your wife to go see me too.
I'm sure she's fine. She'll go where I go.
Ano, super
Yan
luma
yung
na.
birthday, that's great.
Parang
You know, you don't have any
1880s pa.
problems, but yan yung event, and
70s
you
pa.
know, you know, that's kind
Ang
of like
ganda
the
rito, may maraming
contradiction to the
puno
biblical
lang.
Christians, you know, we're not the same
Pero yung
thing.
puno kalat-kalat, hindi siya yung ano, alam mo yun, nilalagyan ng design, hindi sila tinitrim, gets?
That's why they're not called Christians, they're
No.
called Catholics, because their practice is obviously
Ganda
different.
ng kulay ko.
Oh, ganda, no? Lapit na kami. May bridge dito. Nung mga kachipape ang bridge siya.
Yeah, yeah. Total fat.
Tignan mo siya.
I got total 55 million.
Damn, you're rich, baby!
Oh.
Okay, Ruby, we'll take a look at it at the peak first, and then we can take them down to the bottom so they get both experience.
Sure, that's awesome.
Because the peak, machichahay picture, but we'll go down after.
Okay, almost.
Yeah. Tingnan daw muna natin sa taas. Tapos punta daw tayo sa baba kung mas gusto niyo yung full view.
Okay.
Oh, they got free parking on this side, didn't they?
Anong pangalan, babe? Squameo.
Snow Quarry Falls.
Oh.
That's day parking. This is free parking. Cool. Oh, this I never even realized this I was free.
Yeah.
That's okay. Yeah, we always went to the paid side. I
Okay,
didn't know they have a
yeah,
free
free.
parking side.
No free parking.
That's sweet. Perfect spot. The universe provides.
There you go. There you go. The universe
Too
provides.
tight. Let's go that way.
Maybe I should have like this, oh. Please be patient. Student
Oh,
driver.
pwede ka maglagay niyan pag ano,
Diba?
nag-start ka na mag-drive.
This one's less tight.
Okay, we're here. Dito tayo.
This is the first part. Check out the first part. How do we do this?
That's the thing I don't know.
I don't know either.
Ruby! Doesn't know how to open the...
Oh, I think I got it. Wait, nope. That's the thing.
Oh, because there's a lock in there.
Where? Oh. Well, no. Well. Oh,
Here we
yeah,
go.
that's true.
The other
There
side.
we go. Haha. What the heck? There's a lock there.
Ito.
Yeah, here we go. Tayo. Right here, buddy. Sit down, okay? We're going to push that. Push it up.
Hold this one. I'm gonna take my...
Oh, I want to double his jacket. It's cold. His shirt.
Am I gonna wear my jacket or...
Yeah, it might be cold, so just wear it. If it gets hot, you can always take it off.
Maybe if Boba and Ruby went to Wisconsin, we should take them in the part that we went. What's that?
I don't know which one you're talking about.
The one that we ride the, no?
Bay Beach?
No, the other one. The ride the... When we go honey and Danny.
The go-kart track?
Yeah?
Yeah, of course. That's in Bay Beach.
No, it's the other one. The one that we drive along.
I don't know which
Near
one.
Madison.
He can
Near
walk
Madison?
first. You don't have to pull him.
Wisconsin Dells.
Wisconsin Dells, the water park. Okay, that's what you're talking about. Of course. Of course. It'll have to be in the hot summer, though. Of course. Don't hold on, but my luzu no jay. Yo, taki be plan. Luzu no chi hai oh.
Look at animals.
Oh. Be, he says the zoo here sucks, so
Oh, it's out.
yeah.
It's kind of like Manila Zoo.
Sabi na wala daw masyado yung ano dito. Pag ano, pwede lagay mo dito yung jacket mo. Pag
Dala ko water. Hindi na.
Water? Don't get water there.
Be prepared.
Be prepared. Be prepared. Hmm? Get the bottle water.
Ruby gonna get it.
Yeah, yung kay paper. Ito ba yung may,
Hey, baby, this one is yours.
yung may bukas dun
Sa akin yan.
Ah, okay.
Madyan na. Yay!
Pull your jacket off? Pull your jacket off first for now?
Yeah.
It's hot. Put it under the cart. Put it under the cart.
So, ito yung daanan natin.
Normally we park
So
at the
happy.
pay time.
Yeah.
So this is just
Oh, we paid before?
yeah, we pay. I pay before. I
This
usually
one
pay.
doesn't have pay.
I didn't even know this side has a free parking.
Oh. Meron daw kaming free parking. Very good. Ay, ang ganda rito. Nakakatuwa
Always
naman.
paying here.
Ang ganda. Maybe I like here.
It's pretty cool, huh?
Marami rin palang tourist spot dito eh. B, there's a lot of tourist spot here or no? Oh, this is the only one.
I don't know because Goa doesn't really take me anywhere.
Happy. Sabi naman, Inday. Wala pang kain to, Day. So, okay. Ay, Bi, ang ganda.
Oh, ang ganda, ang ganda.
Ang ganda. Ala, it's so beautiful. We should go there so we can see. Yung mga chupapi, oh.
Let's go around the other side.
Just follow them, they know where they're going.
Okay. Oh my God. It's so beautiful. It's free, right? Look at your papi, oh. Thank you, Lord, for beautiful nature, creation. Diba? Ang ganda niya mga kachupapi. So yun mga kachupapi, free lang to dito sa Washington. And ang ganda. Kaya nakangiti ako. Ang ganda rito. I like
It's
here.
so beautiful.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because in the Wisconsin, there's nothing like this.
I'm sure there is. We just have to
Di
look
ba?
for it.
Hala kayo! Pero mo nagdaan. Kayo maglakad ka na. Ah! You okay? You okay?
It's having fun.
Dito ka, B. Oh. Oh, di ba? Happy.
Ay, dami tao.
Daming tao. Buti
Para
may
tayo.
free ganito kasi yung mga ganito pwedeng ko dapat binabayaran eh, no?
Oo.
Ay, ang ganda lalo. Lo, nakakatuwa. Ilang beses ka na nakapunta rito?
Hindi, first time, one time pa lang. Ay, pinasilip lang ni Bo.
Ang
Pero hindi
ganda.
mo rin talaga makita.
Wala, ang ganda naman ng bahay na yun. Wala, ang ganda. Nakakatuwa. Papakita ko sa inyo mga kadyapaki, ha? Dito tayo banda sa ano. Oh my God, ang ganda. Nga, ganda. Ang ganda.
Careful,
Oh baby, there's a rainbow. You see?
Careful, don't drop your phone.
I can't get it.
Too big, too bad.
Okay, John.
Gotta have it turned right.
Ang ganda. Pakita ko sa inyo, ha.
para medyo malaki, ma-view mo yung ano, folder.
Ang ganda. Tignan mo yung creation ni God, no? Ang ganda.
Rainbow ba yan? Yung nakikita mo sa baba?
Oo, rainbow.
Pero hindi, ano, hindi doon masyado nakita yung kulay.
Ayan, oh. Kitang-kita sa camera, be, oh.
Okay. Sa camera nakikita. Pero parang uso.
Hey, we can't walk because we have a stroller.
Ano kami, magdadrive kami papunta doon sa baba.
Oh, okay. You wanna walk?
Yeah, the trail.
Okay.
Here, it goes all the way down to the next parking lot.
It's just there. Walk cement.
Okay.
Ruby's pregnant, so it's hard for her to do it. So they're just gonna drive around and meet us.
Okay.
So we're gonna drive to the bottom parking lot. Let me take it to the bottom.
Okay.
Sure there's a way?
Yeah, I've been there.
Okay.
See you guys.
Okay, see you.
Follow. You're fine. Move down. Huh?
We're here. So maglalakad kami. Yung dalawa doon, sasakay ng sasakyan. So, punta kami dito masyado sa baba. Baby, wag ka na mag-ano. Don't wear so the cap because it's hot. Anyway. Para sa Tagaytay lang tayo, no, be? Ano ba yun? Parang di naman akong tomboy. Hindi akong tomboy, oh. Kasi ang ganda. Ay, ang ganda ka, Chupa. Pinakakatuwa. There's something like that in the Canada, right? Here in Wisconsin.
Probably. Canada has lots of places. That's very cold though.
Tignan mo, Kachupapi, ha? Tignan natin. There you go. Yeah, that'll be here, huh? Ganda.